know that due to emerging COVID-19 situation and the ensuing travel restrictions, there have been temporary suspension of Vande Bharat flights from the UK. Ministry is closely monitoring the situation. Last week too, and you would know I had mentioned that the cargo vessel MV Jag Anand is on anchorage near Jingtang port since the 13th of June, and it has 23 Indian nationals as crew on board. Another vessel, MV Anastasia, which has 16 Indian nationals, is on anchorage near the Kaohsiung port in China since the 20th of September. And both these vessels are waiting for discharge of cargo. Now, this unprecedented situation has caused a considerable amount of stress among the crew. Our embassy in Beijing has been in constant touch with provincial and central government authorities in China. They are requesting that the ships be allowed to discharge their cargoes, as well as the crew members be allowed to be changed. The Chinese authorities have conveyed that on account of various COVID-19 related restrictions imposed by local authorities, crew change is not permitted from these ports. We also understand that some other ships which arrived after the Indian ship arrived have actually managed to discharge cargo and leave. The reasons for this is not clear. We have also taken note of the Chinese Ministry of Foreign Affairs statement yesterday about provision of necessary facilitation and assistance. And our mission in Beijing continues to remain in touch with the Chinese authorities to seek their facilitation and assistance, which can lead to an early resolution of the issue and help ameliorate the situation of the crew. You are aware we had invited the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom as chief guest of the Republic Day Parade in 2021. And when UK Foreign Secretary Dominic Raab was here, he had publicly confirmed his acceptance. So we look forward to welcoming the Prime Minister here. And as was conveyed, India and China continue to maintain communication through diplomatic and military channels. These discussions have helped both sides to enhance understanding of each other's positions. As you are aware, a meeting of the WMCC on India-China border affairs took place on the 18th of December. And the two sides have agreed that the next, which is the 9th round of senior commanders meeting, should be held at an early date so that both sides can work towards an early and complete disengagement of troops along the LAC in accordance with the existing bilateral agreements and protocols, and fully restore peace and tranquility.